Playing
some games.
Playing Hunger Games with Brian.
On Hypixel. You know,
We'll leave each other's
profiles
and
I'll put his link in the description for his channel, you know.
ow.
Oh, dude, look at this dude's skin. It's so
Where?
dope. This dude in the corner. Turn around. This one. Heads up, dude.
What in the...
Oh, dude, a chicken.
Where? Look at this dude in the corner. Donk the donk.
Donk the donk. I like that name, Ashley. Ashley. It's Ashley, funny name, dude. By the way, I'm gonna change my name soon, so I need some suggestions.
Me too. I'm gonna change my name. Leave a suggestion. What you think it is?
Yeah,
And the
leave the comments below what it should be. You know, yeah. Let's go. It's funny.
Oh, that was close. I got Steve.
I'm running. Go, run.
What was that?
Speed.
You think we should fist that guy to death? Cause I got it looks like, I don't know, running shoes or something.
You got running shoes.
See, look. Bang. And then bang. Cinderella slippers.
Put them on.
Big,
Armor.
and then big boy pants.
Oh, yeah, I got something. It's called. I got some slippers.
Cinderella slippers? I got Cinderellas.
Dang, I want Cinderellas. I still got swag.
Lag?
I said swag.
Oh.
Dang. High skill auras in this game. That's not the one.
You need to ban somebody on a slab.
Here. Hey, you need
Oh wait, I have mine. I have my sword.
I gave you my helmet too.
Where'd you go?
Oh, I jumped over here.
Did you get a night kit? I did too.
Mine's upgraded. You're not upgraded.
Oh.
Yeah, you should play this.
We need to play this more often.
What is on it? Fortune 10,000? Got that. Let's go, oh, chest.
Bing bang.
Armor. Let's go. I need some better boots. I found some dude. Back up. That dude's running. There's iron boots on the ground for you.
What? I didn't see him.
Oh, you see
I thought Cinderella's slippers were iron.
leather dye.
He done. Give me that pumpkin pie.
Here. Take that. Take it. I got a level now. You have a stone sword?
No.
Still see if someone's doing this. You get them iron boots?
Yeah, I'm wearing them.
Dude,
You want to give me that pumpkin pie?
I didn't get it.
Yes, you did. He dropped it.
I didn't get it. See if anyone wants anything.
Oh, dang, full chest. I could have sworn that dude dropped pumpkin pie.
You brought baked potatoes.
Oh. Okay.
Let's go up here.
And now I am out of food.
You need food?
Yeah. Baked taters. Oh, there's dudes in the, over here. You know we could have just taken the stairs. Yeah, that's true.
There is guys over here.
I told.
Hey, they're underground though, dude. That's Donk the Donk.
Are you serious?
Yeah!
What's the Blitz Star?
Oh, it's like you can like get like some stuff in here.
Oops. Kind of like a supply drop?
Pretty much. It's not like that kind of stuff.
Oh, shoot.
Oh,
I thought you were somebody else.
Go down this ladder here. I think they're inside the thing. There's two of them.
I think they're a team.
Yeah, they're inside.
Are they?
That dude's off, dude. He's good, dude.
Like what kind?
They're both right here, dude. They have dogs.
We could get Donk the Donk. He done. He done.
Yo, boy! I got a sword. Oh, dude, wow. I gotta go knock him out. Oh, yeah, there it is. That's the damage.
Ya boy!
Oh, I got cakes. Dude, 3 pet layers on him remain, dude.
Like me, you, and somebody else. Can we use the tracking device?
Oh, we can.
Will the shift work?
No.
I got 2
Oh,
kills.
that's going to deathmatch anyway.
It said the star can no longer be used. So sad.
Oh, I'm gonna go, enchant some gear. Enchant a sword. Sharpen sword, enchant a bow. Power 1. Enchant some boots. Protection 1.
I got Unbreaking and Bane of Arthropods on my freaking. I found the dude! He's flying!
Where?
He had fly hacks.
You better not be hacking. I found him. Wow, dude. What the heck? That's the hardest thing ever, dude.
Why is he...
That's strange, dude.
Alright, thank you for watching this video and subscribe to our channels and bye.